Hey everyone, how's it going? Kevin Heilman here with KevinHeilmanWoodworking.com, and today, new tool day. Alright, so I'm excited about getting a brand new Porter Cable disc and belt sander. I just picked it up from Lowe's. They had a great deal on it, so my daughter and I went over and picked it up, and we have the unboxing video of this now. So, let's dig in. Alright, straps. Figure out where I'm going to mount this thing just yet, but all right, instructions. Okay. All right, coming off of the first styrofoam form here. I'm going to grab the camera now to get you a look right into the box. Let's take a look here. All right, everything's wrapped in plastic. Comes with miter gauge. All right, these are all right. Yep. Work surfaces, excellent. Oh, and it's already got, looks like we have, yeah, I wonder what grit that is. Let's see the plastic here. God, I'm guessing that's at least an 80 grit. But at any rate, all wrapped in plastic, appears to not have any damage. All right, directional rotation. All right, nothing damaged in shipping. All right, so pretty excited about that. So I'll get things set up and I'll post some pictures on the website and some videos of us using it. I got some project ideas in mind for my daughter, Jenny, to be making as well. So hopefully this increases our throughput a little bit for some of the different projects that we do on the scroll saw and the bandsaw. We'll see where this takes us. All right, so if you like this video, please subscribe, hit like. Share it, and as always, be safe, enjoy, get some new tools for your shop, make some sawdust in that shop, have fun, be safe, and I'll see you later. Bye.